premium gaming layout needs to register actions faster than your reflexes. With hardware built to endure for years, the Porodo mechanical keyboard swaps out standard keys for authentic Gateron Pro switches, offering a battery-smooth, tactile response with a massive 50 million click lifespan. The full 104 key layout pulls double duty, natively integrating both US and Arabic layouts for global setups. Missed inputs are entirely eliminated thanks to full anti-ghosting technology, ensuring every single key registers accurately even when hammered simultaneously. It also features a dedicated volume knob built right onto the deck, allowing you to balance game and chat audio instantly without pausing. Personalization is handled through captivating RGB lighting with multiple built-in modes to match your space, and it connects effortlessly over a heavy-duty USB link for immediate low-latency plug-and-play performance. For anyone building a high-tier setup that demands long-term hardware durability and absolute execution, it is a highly functional workstation upgrade.